Today you become a programmer for real. Open up Wáàlá Playground, link in my bio. I want you to type exactly this. Print, open brackets, quotation, hello, comma, world, exclamation, close quotation, and close bracket. Then run the code. That test appeared on the screen because you told the computer to do it. You just coded. Let me explain what just happened. The print is a function that tells Python, yo, show something on the screen. The hello world with a quotation tells Python this is a string. The brackets are required. So every time you use the print function, you must use the brackets. That's how Python knows what to print. Let's mess our code up a little bit. Let's delete one of the quotation and then run the code. See that red error message? That's normal. It happens to me a lot. Errors don't mean you fail. They mean Python needs clarity. Let's fix this by adding the missing quotes and then run our code. Fixed. Try this now. Write 3 print statements. My name is, I'm learning Python, and I'm going to build something cool. Then run your code. Fantastic. Here is your task. Write 3 to 5 print statements about yourself, your name, favorite music, favorite game, whatever you like. Make Python tell your story. Then if the link in my bio, I've got a quick challenge that will make this stick. See you tomorrow.